You see the line continuing down into Thomas County, Grady County, into Decatur County too. Nothing much in the panhandle of Florida, but we do have that line from Pavo down to Thomasville, just south of Cairo. Attapulgos has been clobbered today. One storm after the other has moved through there. So finally they're getting a little bit of a break, but you see some of the stronger cells starting to develop just to the south and east of Tallahassee, moving in to Jefferson County in between Monticello and Capps, along Highway 27, also along Interstate 10 and Highway 90. Those three roads starting to get a little bit more rain, a little stronger thunderstorm activity too this afternoon. That's where we're looking at right there. Actually, that is a very impressive looking couplet, which means we've got wind speeds and directions moving in opposite directions. And yeah, that's pretty impressive there. Started to look a little bit ragged, but now as you zoom in and you see the green areas are air moving toward the radar, which is in Tallahassee. So we've got air moving this way. The reds are air moving that way. So you get that rotation, that classic counterclockwise rotation that we see in these strong supercell thunderstorms that can produce tornadoes. So this tornado warning goes until 1 o'clock right near the city of Morven. Just to the south is where that strongest couplet of air is moving. So we've got green is inbound toward the radar, moving very, very fast, and then red moving very, very fast away from the radar. So you get that spinning rotation, that circular motion. If you don't see any other rotation or anything like that, it's just a plain old humongous thunderstorm just to the west of Cecil and Hayhira. That's down Interstate 75. So if you're going to have anyone traveling on 75 in southern Georgia today, not the best day to be doing that. All kinds of rain, severe weather in southern Georgia. Not a whole lot in the panhandle as we speak, but that will change by the afternoon hours. We're expecting a little bit more. And unfortunately, we can get a little bit of daytime heating and a little bit of sunshine to peek through this low-level cloud deck that we've got going on. That could mean some big trouble for folks in the panhandle this afternoon. So we're still not out of the woods yet, but if you stay tuned, we're going to get you through it. The tornado warning still in effect until 1 o'clock for folks in Brooks and Lowndes County. Morven, Hayhira, those are the two sections that we're looking at. Very, very strong rotation right to the north of Morven here, moving in to Lowndes County in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Very strong thunderstorm now in between Tallahassee and Bradfordville. If you're watching us in Killarn, if you're watching us in Bradfordville, the northern sections of Tallahassee, and you are getting a pretty mighty big dose of heavy-duty rainfall right now, probably some strong gusty winds and maybe some very small hail, but that's probably not the biggest threat. The biggest threat would be some wind and all this flooding rainfall. Unfortunately, seeing more rain behind this line of showers, but it is going to be a whole lot lighter come the next few hours, but we'll keep you updated every step of the way. This severe thunderstorm warning lasts until 3:15. No more warnings out there as of yet, but we'll be here for the rest of the afternoon into the early evening, keeping you updated, keeping you informed, tracking the storms, and giving you the latest weather alerts.